Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Hamsnitude. API said last minute and exam day tips. Don't study new topics in the last minute. There might be a time when you have missed a topic 2 days before the exam, but studying the new topic will make you nervous and it is likely that you might get confused. Instead, leave that particular topic and revise the ones about which you are more confident. Keep everything ready. I can and I will. It is quite common for the candidates to forget a thing or two at home while rushing for the exam center. So avoid such stress and make sure that you have kept everything ready a night before the exam day. Don't forget your hall ticket. The candidates must carry the API set hall ticket to the test center. Hall ticket is a mandatory document to be carried at the exam center along with the photo identity proof. Without the admit card, exam officials may cancel your candidature as well. The test takers must ensure that all the information on the hall ticket is correct and the photograph and signature are clear and eligible. The name should also match with the identity card. Reach test center before time. Candidates have to check the reporting time for the test, which would be written on the hall ticket. They should also check the exam slot carefully. In order to avoid undue stress, candidates should reach the test center at least 1 hour prior to the test schedule. Take the seat assigned to you. The seat will be assigned on the basis of candidates' roll numbers. Test takers have to ensure that they take the seat assigned to them as per their roll number and not in any random order. Due to COVID-19 situation, strict precautions will be taken, hence candidates are advised to avoid any kind of movement. Follow the instruction regarding test interface. Test takers have to follow the instructions regarding the navigation and interface properly. They will have to choose the correct option by clicking on it with the mouse and keyboard should not be touched at all. Test structure. The exam pattern of API Set 2020 includes 200 objective type multiple choice questions divided into three sections: analytical ability, mathematical ability, and communication ability. The structure of three sections, total 200 marks. Medium of test. Except section C, other two sections will be available in both English and Telugu languages. The medium for section C is the only English. Each correct answer carries 1 mark and there will be no negative marking scheme in the paper. The overall difficulty level of the exam is expected to be moderate to tough. Since there is no negative marking, test takers must ensure that they attempt a maximum number of questions to score more than API set cutoff marks. Test timing. The duration of the test is 150 minutes. Further, the time of the examination will be intimidated soon. The candidates have to take their respective seats before the allotted time and they won't be allowed to leave the center before the exam gets over. Even if you complete your exam prior to 150 minutes, you will not be allowed to leave the test hall. All the best. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I'm Sneak Thank you.